Hello guys, how are you today? I think so you are good, alright? Yeah. So today we're gonna discuss about a very important things. Introduce yourself. If somebody asks you what's your name, or you wanna ask to somebody what is his name or her name, how you should pronounce it. So normally you will say what is your name, isn't it? So if you wanna speak like with a native speaker, so you can say, what's your name? What's your name? It's like, the what's your name? This 2 feet is coming together. This is standard one, So, what's your name? What's your name? You can ask someone. So I put the Bengali meaning, and it can be sometimes like that, maybe more. What's your name? This is the thing I put it here for your easiness. What's your name? So if someone asks your name, or you want to ask to someone their name, so you can use like that. What's your name? Thanks for watching me to learning English. See you in next class. Bye bye.